Can't stop playing this song, it makes me high. I hear myself singing, I'm feeling so alive. Let this go on forever, I don't wanna get off this ride. I can't stop playing this song, it makes me high.
Riccardo Graziani in 1, Marco Benigni in 2, Filippo De Meneghi in 3, in 4 Sami Benomar, in 5 Giulio Barbato, in 6 Filippo Gazziero, Andrea Scartozzoni in 7, Alberto Camilotto in 8, 1:20:01 per Alessandro Viotto. Idros era passato al comando con 35,90.